use in shopping malls or just in your car, and it's really something that should be engaged with more actively, and this is one attempt to address that. We deconstruct conventional instruments and then fuse them together in sort of unpredictable ways.
And construction materials. So we
Yeah.
kind of amalgamated and reused construction materials and instruments. One of the goals of this kind of work is to broaden the definition of what an instrument might be. Like, we don't know what this is, we don't know how you play it, but let's see if we can come together and sort of improvise and find out. We're going to be installing them at various landings on the stairwells of the parking garage. We're hoping that as people park and head on their way to wherever they're going, they may be sort of taken aback by this device that's sitting in the parking garage. The idea that it's a live music capital of the world, that should be accessible to anybody, like on the way from their parking spot to the elevator, right? Even for themselves. So that's kind of the idea.
I came to drop off my bag and yeah, saw something that resembled instruments, so I came to